Hey guys, welcome back to Church Basics. In this video, I will teach you how to download Roblox without Microsoft Store. Before we start, don't forget hit the like button. Likes are super important for us. Okay guys, let's begin our video tutorial. So we need to use this website to download the Roblox game. Don't worry guys about this website, it's totally safe. To download the Roblox, we need to get the Microsoft Store Roblox link and we need to paste it here. So to get the link, let's go to Google and let's type Roblox Microsoft download in the search bar and let's open the first link. This is the official Roblox link on Microsoft. Let's copy this link and let's go back to this website and let's paste the link here. And then we need to choose the retail version here and we need to click this tick button. Let's wait a few seconds. Then we need to scroll down and we need to find the Roblox game with bundle ending, which is here. So let's copy this link and let's open a new tab and let's paste this link here. And we need to download this file into our PC. Okay guys, as you can see, we download the Roblox installation file. We can just simply install the Roblox game into our PC. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. To avoid Microsoft Store, you can use this method and you can use this website to download the apps from Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.